The journey to parenthood can be challenging, and the biological clock no longer just applies to wannabe mums. 1/3 of infertility cases are caused by male reproductive issues.
So we know specifically for males, infertility is primarily driven, unfortunately, nowadays by environmental impact. So environmental exposure, DNA damage to the sperm, poor diet, lifestyle choices, things like that. And obviously there are other higher order or more complicated conditions as well. But now we know that as men get older, their sperm quality tends to decline.
Fertility and reproductive health clinician Leah Hectorman has a saviour for men swimmers, and it's found in every one of our cells.
So ubiquinol is the active form of coenzyme Q10, and it's a very, very powerful antioxidant. Ubiquinol assists in the production of energy in the body by ensuring the health of the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse, the energy generator within each of our cells. So ubiquinol works in a number of different areas, but most of the research centralises around sperm health. And so when we look at sperm, we look at three main parameters. We look at sperm count, so the number of sperm per ejaculate. We look at sperm motility, which is the movement of sperm, and we look at morphology, so the shape of sperm. And when you dive into the research, you can see that ubiquinol is actually concentrated within the actual structure of sperm. And so, for example, it's concentrated in the tail of sperm, so we know that it assists in the movement of sperm and helps them to swim faster and get to the goal. And we know that it's concentrated in the neck and the head, so we know it's heavily involved in the structure, so the morphology, but also the DNA, which is found within the head and the neck of the sperm. So the DNA is the information that goes from the male sperm into the female egg, and then that's the information that gets carried over and creates our children.
Getting professional advice on ubiquinol supplementation and other lifestyle factors may help all prospective parents have a win when it comes to the baby game.